Hello everyone, welcome back to the KashyapTechITBrothers. This is the SSRS tutorial. So it's the first part of the SSRS tutorial. So basically we will see intro to SSDT and create first a report project. So SQL SSRS data tool is an modern development tool for building SQL Server relational database. Database in a Azure SQL analysis service, data models, integration service, packages and reporting service and reports. So basically the SSRS it's a stand for the SQL Server Reporting Service. It is a reporting tool developed by the Microsoft that come free with the SQL Server. It produce formatted report with the table of data, graph and reports. Reports are hosted on a server and can be configured to run using parameters supplied by users. When we run the reports, the current data appear from the database, XML file or other data source. It provides the security features that control who can see which reports. So you can see the some definition I have already written here. So basically SSR is a reporting platform through which one can easily form the report in the formatted table manners in image, graphs, charts and data form. The parameters are defined in the report to use anytime and are hosted on the server. So let's start with the creating the first SSRS project. So let's start. So basically this is my, let me start with the initial level, or you can go to the file, just 1 minute. Yep. So you can click here, new and project. So you can see we are able to see the report server. Basically you can search by typing here as a SSRS. So you will get the SSRS details, like SSRS related to the applications. Over here it's taking some time because of loading. Yeah, so you can see it's showing the integration, but you can directly write the report server project. So you can see we have two options, like a report server project wizard and report server project. So we are not interested to click on the report server project wizard. So I will click on the report server project and click on the next. Then you can simply name the report name as file name SSRS part 1, and you can see the location of the file where it will going to be stored. So let's copy this file. So it will be required to see the file where it's stored. Yep, so click on the create. Okay, yeah, so our first SSRS project has been created. You can see the solution. We have created one solution SSRS part 1. In that you can see the SSRS part 1 report, and which have some elements like shared data source, shared data sets, reports. Don't worry, these things I will explain in my next lecture. So just see how we are creating the reports. So let's go with the location where the file is stored. You can see SSRS. What is the file name? Sorry, project name of our reports. You can see here it's the SSRS part. So this is the folder. You can check the solution. Yeah, we had a solution of SSRS part, and you can see the report and report of the file like SSRS RP the project and our users. So you, the file like where it will going to, where it need to be stored, you have to define this in initially when you are creating the SSRS project. Okay, so this is about the like how to create the SSRS project. So please let me know if is there anything feedback. Thank you so much.